What is taken out in this one here? What's removed? The skin. And then underneath the skin is the superficial fatty layer, isn't it? And then after that is what? The membranous layer, which is called the callus fascia. So, and then the callus fascia has been removed, so now you enter what space? The superficial perineal pouch. And what are the contents of the superficial perineal pouch? And these are the contents of the superficial perineal pouch. First, you have here the ischio cavernosus, which will invest inside that, this one here, it will be investing the crura of the clitoris. Or in the case of the male, will be the crura of the penis, right? So the ischio cavernosus invests the crura of the clitoris or the penis, right? And then over here is now the bulbospongosus, right? The bulbospongosus. And the bulbospongosus will be investing the bulb of the vestibule, this one here. So this is the bulb of the vestibule over here. And then posterior to that is this rounded red structure, is the greater vestibular gland of the Bartholin's gland. Greater vestibular gland of the Bartholin's gland, this one here. All right? Okay. So that's the bulbospongosus investing the, what's this? Bulb of the vestibule and the greater vestibular gland. What is this one here? And this one? Superficial transverse perineal muscle. And you know, remember the superficial transverse perineal, external anal sphincter, and the bulbospongosus all converge to form what is known as the perineal body. This one here. It's called the perineal body. Okay? Now, on this side here, you can see this is the inferior perineal fascia. Okay? On this side, it's been removed to expose now the deep perineal pouch. Okay? So now you enter the deep perineal pouch. And what do you find in the deep perineal pouch? What muscles are found in the deep perineal pouch? First, this one here, the deep transverse perineal muscle, the external urethral sphincter, and the compressor urethrae. Okay, compressor urethra. Okay. In the male, what else does the deep perineal pouch contain? In the male, the bulbourethral glands.
The what?
Bulbourethral glands. This one.
Oh.
Yeah. So this is also the urogenital diaphragm. So the deep perineal pouch is also the urogenital diaphragm. Okay? The deep perineal pouch is also the same as the urogenital diaphragm. Alright? So what are the contents again of the deep perineal pouch? You have the deep transverse perineal muscle, the compressor urethrae, the external urethral sphincter, and the bulbourethral glands. What are the contents of the superficial perineal pouch, which is more outer? This one is the ischio cavernosus, which invests what? And then this one is the which it will be investing and the vestibular gland. What's the other name? Bartholin's gland. All right. And this one is the perineal body. All right. Okay. So we're done with that. Here's another. It's the same thing, but it's a different kind of some slight variation, but it's the same thing. So again, this would be the ischio cavernosus, and this one would be the bulbospongosus. This one,
Perineal body.
okay, this one here, superficial, and then this one is the deep. Okay, I forgot to mention this one here. Okay, and And this one would be the labia minora. Okay, labia minora. And then the space between the two labia minora is called the vestibule. In the vestibule, you find the opening of the urethra, external urethral orifice, and then anterior to the labia minora, where they converge to form the what we call the fornix, is the glands of the clitoris, which is covered by a hood-like structure called the prepuce.
Huh?
Clitoris.
The prepuce?
The prepuce, P-R-E-P-U-C-E.
Okay.
Yeah, just like in the male, uncircumcised male, you have the prepuce or something. The same thing with the female.
Okay.
Okay, so that's the prepuce here. Okay, and this one is the frenulum of the clitoris. Underneath it, the frenulum of the clitoris. All right, that one there.